Hi, I thought we would do something different today. We're going to do a product review. All right, now these are some of the things I've always wanted to try. Well, when I went to Sprouts the other day, I see all these yogurt replacements because these do not have dairy. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something with you all to just kind of experiment myself. The first one we're going to try is, I'm going to need my glasses, need my specs here. The first one we're going to try is Kite Hill, and this one's a plant-based artisan. It is dairy-free. It's dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, made live cultures. And the first ingredient is almond milk. All right, contains almonds. So I'm going to go ahead. Let's give it a try here. This one is also, let's see here, it's got 18 grams of sugar, so it's a little high on the sugar. You want to try to keep 7 and below or 10 and below. But anyway, this is a treat. You can always put it just on fruit with it, granola, and also here is chia seeds, good for fiber. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try right now myself here. This is the first time, I've never had this before, first time. Not bad. Now, I like things that taste healthy. Now, some people are like, oh, it tastes too healthy. It tastes, you know, this does taste healthy, but it is good. I like it. It's like I said, almond milk. You know, I would get this again. I would put, fruit, of course. I would put some chia seeds, and then you just let it soak overnight. And that's the brand, is KO. And you can find these like at Whole Foods or Sprouts. I found this at Sprouts. So, okay, there's one. So now let's try this one, a brand that we're all familiar with is Silk. Now this one is almond milk. This one has how many grams of sugar? This one has 15. It's a little lower than this one. Also vegan, carrageenan free, gluten free, dairy and soy free. So this is the first time I have tried this. This is almond milk yogurt alternative, right? Here we go. It looks almost like the other one actually. The color, see the color? That one's a little darker. This one's a little lighter. All right, so let's give this a try. I've never tried this, so this is my very first time. All right, here we go. This has that silk texture. So this brand, I love Silk. So I'm gonna have to say this is my favorite right now. So some of you think, oh, I didn't even know there was any such thing out there. And so now you can have your yogurt and you don't have to worry about the milk products or anything like that. So this one I like. I'm gonna try something a little different. This one I saw, the jar is kind of cute. This one has 12 grams of sugar. It's even lower. So that's pretty cool. This one is coconut based. There is no almond milk in this one. It's coconut based, coconut cream, cane sugar, modified tapioca starch, and natural flavors, so forth. Okay, so this is another one. This is it's called Dairy Free Aoi by Yoplait Coconut Dairy Alternative. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look, it's got something on here. It says, say Aoi to French way. All right, I guess it's just something cute for marketing, I guess. All right. Now this one looks really pretty. If you're gonna do something fancy for a guest or something, look at the texture of that. So this is all coconut. There's no almond milk. So here it goes. First time to taste it. It's good. I like this one. This one is smooth. It's got that smooth, I like the silk. I really like this. This is good. This would taste good with berries. This is really good. Okay, so these are my two favorites right here. This one's okay. This is my favorite. And I love the jar. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. You can put something around it. That's really good. All right, and my last one is, it's the same one as this one, but this one is with more coconut and dark chocolate. This is Silk yogurt, dairy-free, soy-free. Let's look at the sugar content in here. The sugar content has 16. It's a little bit more probably because of the chocolate, but it has almond milk, cane sugar, cocoa, okay, pectin, calcium. So, and this one also is vegan certified, gluten-free, dairy, and soy-free. All right, first time to try this. Here we go. I'm gonna be doing more of this whenever I find something, because I'm looking for alternatives, healthy alternatives, because that's one of the things I want to share is I love studying nutrition, I love cooking, and the Lord has allowed me to work with different catering businesses and some awesome chefs that I've learned a lot from. So I want to kind of share that with you, and I'll be sharing more recipes and alternatives so that you can have a better eating habits for you and your family. All right, here it goes. This is not my favorite. It's good. The chocolate, it's okay. I think it's just the way the chocolate and the coconut, it's okay. If you get, I'm sure maybe if you have it frozen, kind of thicker, but this one is good, but it is not my favorite. So that was fun. This is, these are my two favorites right here. Is this one, the OE dairy-free, and it's by Yoplait, and this one. So if you are looking for an alternative to yogurt, but without the dairy, these were my favorite. Now there's more out there, there's a whole lot more out there, but I just chose one day, I thought, you know, I'm gonna do a product review. We would do a little fun dessert right now. We're gonna go ahead and get one of my favorites, was this one. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. This is something you might want to do for breakfast, for dessert. Somebody coming over for just a time to talk about the Lord, and you want to give them something special. So you go ahead and do those. And these little custard things, these are very inexpensive. They're not expensive at all. I think these were like $1 each, and you can find them at the dollar store. Depends which dollar store you go to. Some of the other places have nicer ones, but this one I bought, and it also had some gray ones. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and put some flax in here. Oh, let me go ahead and use this so we can be cautious of the amount we put in there. Okay, and we're going to put some chia seeds. Good old chia seeds. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and get some raspberries. You want raspberries or blueberries, whatever you. I like using this tool because sometimes your thumbs get in the way, and you know how that goes. All right, there you go there. So that is something you can do to have for your guest and just talk, and you don't have to worry about dairy. There's no dairy in there, and on this one there is no soy also. And this one also. So this one, let me see if this one has any soy. Nope, this one has no soy. So this is something really special to do, and I just wanted to share that with you, that there's a lot of alternatives out there, and I want to share with you some more alternatives with chips. I'm looking forward to that one because there's so many good chips out there. I work at a grocery store, and it's a very health conscious grocery store, and I just love learning. I've studied nutrition for about 20 years. And so one of my passions is cooking and sharing things. So I hope you enjoyed doing something like this with me. I'm going to be having other things. Also, I'm going to be doing some chips perhaps, and some salsas, different things like that, and healthy alternatives. So I hope this has encouraged you to try a dessert like this. And you go and have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you later. Take care.